And after you leave a like, remember to smash the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed to my channel as yet. And remember to hit the notification bell so every time I post a video, you can know right away. Subscribe, 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 subscribe.
What's up, my YouTube friends, viewer subscribers, everybody? Welcome back to another banger taste and test video. So, what I will be trying right now is Dairy Queen's new caramel Java chip blizzard. I had to say that slow because in the beginning I was trying to remember the name. Story of my life. So, caramel Java chip. So you guys that's been watching me for a while now probably already know I'm not a fan of caramel. I'm not allergic to it. I just don't find taste. Why did my expression look like that? I just don't find the taste like have a weird aftertaste. But lately, every well, I'm guessing every place caramel is like different. Cause bro, every time I try caramel, I always remember that one caramel bad experience I've ever had. If you guys have watched me try something with caramel, I swear every time I remember this. I literally do not remember until I'm doing something with caramel. So I don't know. It's like when I'm trying something with caramel, it's sort of like 5, 6 until it exceeds my expectation. So yeah. So this is literally brand new. So we will be trying it and we will be ranking it just to see exactly how this baby is sitting. So here, pull this closer. So have a little chip in there. So here we go. Let's see if this is gonna be more than what I thought it would be. Well, it did say chip, so there's small bits of like chip. I'm trying to taste to see what exactly it is. It's not chocolate. Well, it's like the chip that you put on the chocolate chip. Well, chocolate chip. Okay. Mm, okay. The chip sort of flavors it different. Mm-hmm. Okay. Bro, I swear, every time I'm trying something, if it has caramel in it, I always remember. If you guys have been watching me for a while trying things, you can testify to exactly what I'm saying. Mm, bro. Mm. The bits of chip literally flavors it different. Mm-hmm. And this is why I love when places come out with stuff and it's like, man. Mm-hmm. Okay. Mm-hmm. Mm. Mm. Bro, I don't know why. When I'm trying Blizzard, it's always like as soon as I'm like trying it from the top, it's like I always aim for the side. I don't know if you guys can see. Always aim for the side. I don't know why. Mm-hmm. Okay. Mm. Okay, Dairy Queen. Mm-hmm. That's what I'm looking for. I thought the chips, well, Java chip. Well, I guess that's what it is. Caramel Java chip, not caramel chocolate chip. Mm. Okay. I think I've had a lot of bites, so I'm guessing now it's time to conclude this. Mm. Okay. Mm. I would give this literally, I would say 6.5 out of 10. Reason for that is it's like the best way to describe it, like it was okay, but it's nothing too crazy about it. You know what I mean? It's not like when they come out with, well, I'm guessing I'm not used to this, and probably like I was saying in the beginning that I'm a caramel hater. I'm not necessarily say a caramel hater. It's just like you gotta remember, bro. When I try things, I try it based off the taste, the texture, and how it tastes to me. That's how I try. So it's like 6.5. Nothing like 5 would be like average, because when you're ranking stuff, it always starts from the middle and then it's either good or it's either bad. But to me, it's like nothing crazy. You know what I mean? Not too sweet. It's not exciting. If well, that's how I should say it. It's nothing too exciting. It's nothing too crazy. But I already know this due to the fact that I saw the name Caramel Java Chip. Like it's new, and you guys know whenever something is new, like when fast food come out with stuff and it's new, I always seem to get it. So it's like it's crazy. But it is what it is. Not like I don't know. Bro, whenever places come out with stuff, as long as it's new, I always try it. So it's not like say I try the good stuff and then I leave the bad stuff. You know what I mean? If Dairy Queen come out with say 5 new Blizzard, I always try all 5. As long as it's say new, I try it. Even say different places when they come out with burger or some stuff, I always try it just to like, excuse me. Always try to like try it. I don't try it because I know I might like it. I try it to see just how it tastes to me, if that makes sense. Some of you guys must be like, you're trying your best to not sound like you're hating on it, but deep down you're hating on it, bro. I'm not hating on it. I'm not. I'm just a very fair guy. But 6.5 out of 10 hands down. It's not like exciting. I don't know. Like like whenever I see stuff, I sort of can like analyze that like based off the name and what's in it. I sort of can like guess just how it will taste to me. But no, don't get me wrong. Sometimes I guess that it will be like this, and then when I try it, it's like, wow, I wasn't expecting it to be like that. That's why I like trying stuff. First reaction is always the best reaction, because you can't fake first reaction. You can't fake it. So yeah, 6.5 out of 10, hands down. Do I recommend it? I wouldn't know. If you're a caramel lover, then you will probably enjoy this. Caramel lover. If you're a caramel lover, you definitely enjoy this, bro. I wasn't a fan of caramel for a while because, like I said, it always gave me a weird aftertaste. But lately, caramel has been like starting to get a little bit sweeter and more delicious. So I'm not quite sure if that one thing that I've tried it was just like bad or it wasn't good. That's why I had that taste aftertaste. But I don't know. Caramel isn't my type of things. I'm like let me say it again. I'm not allergic to it because you guys must be like, then if you why are you trying it if you don't like it? I tried just to try it. So yeah, 6.5 out of 10 has it out. No complaining. It's just like yeah. It's not exciting. So there you guys have it. Thank you very much for watching. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned. I will be back trying and doing more stuff. You go enjoy the rest of your day. I'm out. And don't forget to follow me on social media. I post daily on them.